Changepoint. Intelligent forms. Using standard forms. Standard form templates provide an interactive, wizard-driven solution for entering data and generating documents. You use standard form templates to simplify work for users for streamlining complex tasks and automating data entry processes. The standard form templates guide users through the process of creating or updating one or several entity records. These templates can also be used for producing Microsoft Word or Adobe PDF documents. In this lesson you will learn the purpose of using standard form templates, how to access standard form templates, which Changepoint entities are supported by standard form templates, how to use standard form templates, how to navigate to the standard form templates, how to save standard form templates, and how to access standard form templates from the Intelligent Forms portlet. Please note, it is important to know that the forms come with a minimum set of fields and the user-defined fields are not included out of box as these are specific to each customer implementation. The mandatory user-defined fields corresponding to the form entity must be updated prior to the use of the form. Also, Intelligent Forms capability is accessible by the advanced Changepoint users. Standard form templates. Changepoint includes 7 standard form templates, which can be used as is, or which can be used as templates and enhanced to meet business requirements. The standard form templates that create entity records include all of the standard fields that are mandatory by default. Create an engagement. Using the Create Engagement standard form you can create a company and contacts. Engagement fixed fees. The engagement. A project. Tasks. Task assignments. Project milestones. And knowledge management items. To begin, click Services. Select Create Engagement. Click the folder icon to maximize the view. The Create Engagement form is now maximized. On the left, the main sections of the form are displayed in a tab view. You can navigate to the main sections by clicking the section names after a draft has been created. The form provides us with portions of the engagement details in a wizard format. As we enter the details for the engagement, we can navigate to the various sections using the arrow icons. We can save the form in progress by clicking the Save button. To begin, select either the New or Existing Company checkbox. In this example, we will select Existing. Once the option is selected, the existing company details appear. Click the Search for Company Name field and enter either a portion or the entire company name. Press Enter on your keyboard. The company name appears filtered by the criteria we entered. Click the company name. In the next section we will determine if the company contact is in Changepoint. In this example, click the Yes Radio button. The Accounts Receivable section appears. In the Select the Contact drop-down list, click the down arrow. Select the contact. We will scroll further down the form. The company details display. Click the arrow button to advance to the next series of fields. The Create Engagement fields appear. Click the Engagement Name field and enter a name. Next, click the Contract Numbers cell and enter the contract number. Click the Description cell and enter a description. Next, we will set the contract start and end dates. In this example, we will leave the start date as the current date and enter an end date. Click the calendar icon beside the end date field. Click the down arrow beside the month. Select the month. From the calendar, select the day. Next, select the contract type. Next, we will scroll further down the form. In the Financial Information section, select the billing type. Click the radio button beside the desired billing type. Next, select the billing currency. In the billing currency field, click the down arrow. Select the currency. Next we will select the invoice format. Click the down arrow. Select the invoice format. Next we will select the billing office. Click the down arrow beside the billing office field. Select the billing office. Next we will set the engagement status. Click the down arrow in the status field. Select work in progress. Next we will enter the contract amount cell. Click the contract amount cell and enter a value. Next, we will select the work location group. In the work location group field, click the down arrow. Select the work location group. Next we will select the billable expenses option. In this example we will select none. Click the None Radio button. We will scroll further down the form. Next we will select the line of business. In the line of business field, click the down arrow. Select the line of business. Next we will select the location. In the location field, click the down arrow. Select the location. Next we can enter the instructions for the invoicer. Click the field and enter the instructions. Click the arrow to proceed to the next screen. An alert appears informing us that a mandatory field has not been addressed. Enter the reason. With the mandatory field addressed, we can now proceed. Click the arrow. The Add Fixed Fee details appear. We can now enter a list of fixed fee items and their related details. We will save the engagement as a work in progress. Click the Save button. We can now enter a description for the new engagement form that is in progress. Select and edit the default name. Click the OK button. Click OK. You can navigate back through the main areas of the form to make edits by clicking the back arrow. We can create a portal to display all of our forms that are currently in progress. From the top menu bar, select Preferences. The Preferences details appear. In the Portals section, enter a name for the new portal. Click the Name of New Portal field. Scroll down the list of available portlets. Select the Intelligent Forms in Progress checkbox. Scroll back to the top. Click the Actions menu. Select Save Personal Portal. An alert appears confirming the save. Click the down arrow beside the Home button. Select the Standard Forms portal we just created. The portal appears displaying the Intelligent Forms in Progress portlet. Click the down arrow to expand the portlet. Our engagement in progress is displayed in the list. Click the engagement name to access it for editing. The form appears for further editing. A recent list also appears on the left. We will return to the Fixed Fees section and continue entering details. Click the forward arrow to advance to that section. The Add Fixed Fee section appears. We can now enter a number of fixed fee items. Click the name of the fixed fee deliverable field and enter a name. Enter the amount to be invoiced. Enter the date to be invoiced. Click the calendar icon. Select the date. We will add a second item. Click the Add Row button. A second row appears. We will enter the details for the second item. Now that we have entered the details for the second item, we can optionally reorder the items by dragging them in the list. You can now optionally add a project milestones, tasks, and task assignments by continuing to enter details. Click Submit when you are ready to save the form. The new engagement now appears in the tree view. Congratulations! In this lesson you learned about standard forms in Changepoint.